Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can set password to the window. It's for window 11, 10 or 7 also. So let's start the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start the video. So here, come to the search bar and search for settings. Okay, search for settings, and here go to the settings. Here this is your window. Here we need to go in account. Just click on that accounts option. Okay, so here my account. So now just here under the account setting, we need to go in these options, sign in options. Under the sign in option, you can see some few options like facial recognitions, fingerprint recognition, pin, whatever. But we need to go in password into my account. Here go to the add password. Here you need to choose your password, confirm your password, and this is a password hint. If you forget your password, then the window will show you the hint of your password, then it will be help you to remind your password. Okay, so just set the password should be same in new password, and confirm password should be same. Here you can give the hint and just click on next and follow the process. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.